Hey, it's Brian here and welcomes back to the TechPort. In this video, I'm gonna introduce to you military and security gadgets and equipment you should see 2019. Before we dive into the video, consider the click red subscribe button and press the bell icon for post notification. That will encourage us to create more awesome videos like this.
Team 1, this is Alpha. Hostile drone identified. Move to Sector Bravo and respond.
The Micro Tactical Ground Robot, MTGR, is an innovative lightweight man-portable system. It provides standoff detection and surveillance capabilities to the squad level and greatly enhances situational awareness in a variety of scenarios. Featuring 360-degree camera coverage, acoustic and laser sensors, and with the ability to climb stairs, the MTGR is specially designed to serve ground forces in various EOD, ISR, and law enforcement missions. Highly intuitive human-robot interaction makes the MTGR and its control unit, ROC-U7, easy to operate. Its unique communication system allows a single operator to control several robotic units interchangeably. With its generic payloads port, the MTGR meets military standards and is ready for any mission. The MTGR is fully ruggedized, built for all terrains and any weather conditions. MTGR keeps you safe and gets the job done.
Introducing Dagger, the newest ultralight off-road vehicle from Polaris Defense. Dagger delivers a rare combination of deployability, versatility, and off-road mobility for today and tomorrow's warfighter. Forged by the world's leading off-road vehicle experts, Dagger is built to transport extreme payload, and when we say extreme payloads, we mean it. Dagger allows you to carry more, further across the most unforgiving terrain on the planet. More importantly, the heart of Dagger's design is uniquely straightforward, creating a vast amount of mission possibilities. Dagger features a flexible, wide-open layout to easily load and carry operators, weapons, and other cargo in extreme environments. Dagger expands tactical air deployability thanks to an ultralight vehicle weight and dimensions that allow for rapid roll-on, roll-off internal air transport. gear, and cargo can be loaded into the vehicle prior to deployment, saving time and critical space on the aircraft, thanks to Dagger's ample cargo space and payload capacity. Dagger's world-class all-terrain capability and no-compromise deployability is matched by its intuitive operation and ease of in-field service and repair. Its robust, militarized commercial parts are readily available throughout the world, and Polaris provides full life cycle support in more than 70 countries, providing a proven support network wherever it's needed. Polaris Dagger, built for the warfighter from the ground up by the world's proven leader in off-road vehicles. Tested, proven, fielded.
Now, one.